Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube videos not playing. So I'm going to show you some steps that you can follow and fix this issue. The first solution what you can try is click your Windows button, or if you're using any other device like your Android phone. So what you have to do is simply restart your device, click on restart button, and once the device has been restarted, you have to check if the YouTube is working or not. But if YouTube is not working, then what you can do is simply open your web browser and open speedtest.net and check your internet connection, if your internet connection is working or not. So once speedtest.net opens, what you have to do is speed test your internet connection and check if your internet is working fine or not. And if your internet is not working and you're not getting any speed test or getting any zero results, what you can do is restart your router, your Wi-Fi router. Once restarted, then you can check if your internet is working. Once your internet has been start working, then what you can do is go to YouTube and check if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then simply what you can do is optimize the YouTube video quality. So to optimize the video quality, you have to click on the gear icon and click on the quality, and then you have to select the lowest possible quality of the video and check if the video is started working or not. But if the video is still not working, then what you can do is clear the cache and memory of your web browser. So to clear the cache, what you can do is go to the three-dotted button, click on settings, and then what you can do is type in history. You will see delete browsing data. Now you have to check all the boxes on this screen, and you have to make sure to select all time and then simply click on delete data. It will clear the cache and each and everything from your browser, and after that you can check your browser if the problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is simply go to the three-dotted button, go to settings, and click on about your browser. If you're using any other browser other than Chrome, then if you go to settings, you will see about Mozilla Firefox or about Microsoft Edge browser. Simply click on the about section and check if any update is available for your browser or not. As you can see, there is an update available, so I will relaunch my browser to check, and after my browser has been updated, I can check again if the problem is fixed or not. But even by updating your web browser, if the problem is still not fixed, then what you can do is update your device. If you're using Windows like me, then what you can do is press the Windows key and type in update, and you have to select check for updates. Settings page will open, and then your device will start to check for any updates. If any update is available, as you can see, my Windows is up to date. If you're using your Android device or any other device, check if there's any update available. After your device has been updated, restart your device again and check if your problem is fixed or not. But if the problem is still not fixed, then it means the problem is not from your end. It is from the YouTube side. So you have to wait for a few minutes or few hours until the problem has been fixed from the YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.